Feeling lost in a jungle of code in Dreamweaver? Let's turn that chaos into a clean, efficient workspace in just 90 seconds. First, indentation is your best friend. Notice how this well-structured code uses indentation to visually represent the hierarchy of elements in Dreamweaver. You can easily indent code by selecting the lines you want to adjust and pressing the Tab key to move them to the right, or Shift plus Tab to move them to the left. Consistent indentation makes it obvious which elements are nested within others. Next up, comments. Think of comments as little notes to yourself and other developers. They explain what a particular piece of code does. To add a comment in HTML, use less than, followed by your comment, and then greater than in CSS. You'll use to start a comment and to end it in JavaScript. You'll use for a single-line comment or and for multi-line comments. Finally, let's address file structure. Keep your project organized by grouping related files into folders. For instance, create separate folders for your HTML files, CSS style sheets, JavaScript files, and images. A well-organized file structure prevents confusion and makes it much easier to find what you're looking for. And that's it. With proper indentation, clear commenting, and a logical file structure, your Dreamweaver projects will be more readable, maintainable, and a joy to work on. Now go forth and organize your code.